I don't think they have nothing to do with the platform, my boss, because what you know, so somebody text me on Facebook and say they see me picture up on a live, I go on big man, watch on my business.
Watch ya, Anne-Marie neighborhood, chip out, kiss me neck back. Alright, my people, I know it's been a while, but remember, a couple weeks ago, I was in a car accident, and I am actually working behind the scenes to see what I can do to bring true justice in the Jayden Smith case. Not just sitting and talking, but actions behind the scenes. So my people, earlier today, Anne-Marie neighbor was on Tiger Show over there on TikTok. I'm gonna just listen to it. And then later on tonight, I'm gonna come back and a live stream and discuss it. Alright, my people, I'll see you later tonight. Wow, good. Enjoy the video. Story come tomorrow.
Platform, my boss, because what you know, so somebody text me on Facebook and say they see me picture up on a live, I go on big man, watch on my businessman, a big man, I mix up in a banger and a big man.
Alright, we are the channel, we are the channel, we are there, alright, we are there. We are the general, you call me name, so that means you know me. We are there, so we are there.
If you come and take it out of your private place, you can't tell me say so and all today. If you can't get privacy in the public, this come off on social media. Every picture where you see the host of my run, come off on social media.
When you post it, have it up on your platform, my boss, because what you know, so somebody text me on Facebook and say they see me picture up on a live, I go on big man, watch on my businessman, a big man, I mix up in a banger and a big man.
Alright, we are the channel, we are the channel, we are there, alright, we are there. We are the general, you call me name, so that means you know me. We are there, so we are the man. So we are the man.
Brother, stop shouting.
We are the man. So listen me, man. So why you don't listen? So why you don't listen, brother? Why are we the brother?
Bad me up. If you want my location, you can tell her. And if you want to tell me fear, you can tell me. You cannot bad me up. Nobody on social media can bad me up. But all I am saying, the attitude you come up here look while was so wrong. It's disgusting. I know you come and say you, because we didn't know who you are. We didn't know who you are. You come and tell me that you are the neighbor now, and you are disgusting. You are a despicable piece of human being, because you're getting your feelings about your picture that on the media where somebody take it down from a next social media platform. That I could have got it. You understand? And you don't have no remorse to the people them people were gone over 4 months or going on 5, but you can come up here come tell about a nasty fag looking piece of picture. Hey boy, careful. Careful.
They have no empathy, man. They have no empathy.
Human being. No,
they have no empathy.
Have you got any children?
You see one of them, my friend,
Scott?
You see one of them, my friend.
You have no empathy because
I defend this family, and nobody defend the little innocent kid that goes missing.
If I see you pick up my picture, I'm gonna identify myself. I'm gonna say something. I know innocence nothing about the little boy. Little boy know nothing. In picture is everything.
You understand?
They're worrying about the wrong thing.
Not being not because you're all iron and crocodile people, and what you know your friend them they don't business, they don't care. Other people care in the world because Jayden belongs to the world. It's the world child.
We maybe not know what this picture is telling other people, you know, so that's the problem. We don't know a picture mean 1,000 words, so we may not know what this picture is telling other people. So he's mad. That's the problem.
Me can go Australia go put up one picture, and me can turn at Jamaica take down one picture from Australia. You go tell me say you know me. You know me what that have to do with me, bro? Me up on a platform where your picture there on.
Yeah, but so him talk pan boy have to understand a public platform in talk pan say no price. Public platform. So let me tell you something. F price head hurt him. F price head hurt him. Because I notice the police them down there because he look like he's a part of the crocodile and the hyena family. So you think Mr. F price head hurt him.
I know he not ever come and say, oh gosh, we miss this little boy. He was such a person and he just gone away just like that. Nothing.
In a live social media that the boy they can't see me on road and keep up no farm argument with me or no chatting.
They don't have no empathy for nobody. The little boy never mean nothing to none of them.
You should even come talk to the people them. You get that landlord for the people them. You the people them.
Because that's put some of your energy in telling us what happened to the kid. That's where you need to fling all of your negative energy. You
Yeah,
tell me
yeah,
about
I'm
people
shame
on
of yourself.
Facebook. I am happy. I am happy that my life is all over Facebook because we are telling to the world.
You know, see my one up
there's
there?
a bunch of crocodile and there's a bunch of hyenas.
You know, see my picture up
Put some of
there?
your energy. Put some of your energy in where to find Jayden. Put your energy,
He
your
never come
emotion and
about
your
that. That's
feelings
not
where you
what he
come with.
come about.
I know that him
What
come about
happened to
him,
the
He no
make
people
come
on
everybody
the
about.
money?
gaslight him up.
What happened to
He,
him? What
he no come.
Gaslight him and he run
happened
come.
to the
He
people
no
them
come about
trying?
that. Don't move a picture. Make it stay right there.
I'm not moving it. I'm not moving
No,
it.
right there,
I'm
we
not
sit down.
scared.
Right
I've
there,
never
we sit
been
down.
scared.
You
I've
approach wrong.
never been
You
scared.
approach wrong. And you try to talk to you, to guide you. And say, listen me, I know how you do things.
Because
Yeah,
you don't want me to start use your picture in our negative light. You don't want that. You understand? Come up here and tell me, say, listen, bro, the little youth, my emotion, my feel for the little youth, what happened to him, we don't know. Come up here and give me that and say, yo, this is me. I'm not in it. I'm not going to tell you, I'm going to explain to you. Because I'm not that ignorant. I'm going to explain to you, say, I am using it to show the public that
no.
I think at some point in time,
Tiger,
the kid
Tiger,
was a
Tiger,
bit happy.
Tiger. We never have to go so far. It's not a picture of him. It's a picture with Jayden you put up. Him happen to dip on the picture. You can't take him off a picture because I know you take the picture. So you put up the picture and talk about Jayden because of him dip on the picture. Him dip on the picture, you don't put him on the picture. Jayden you talk about. You talk about Han. Him accidentally dip on the picture. Right? So I know you know go take one picture that belongs to him. The picture belongs to Han and Jayden. Him just happen to dip on the picture. So really and truly, he's neither here nor there. You know business with him. Because you never put
But me just like, well, me can't tell you how to live your life or how to do. Forward in the box and say, yo, big up on yourself here, a hunt for the local youth. God bless you, know, rare, and then I explain. Because at the end of the day, you see what me do look while, even you still getting a good light. And anybody see them, I'll say a good light. But I see where you come and flip the script for me look while, and you come, if you're going on bad light, and you are going to put yourself, and the comment, then will take off your head, my brother.
My boss,
Because
me ever in a one good light here. Me ever in a one good light here. Me a decent citizen of Jamaica. Here, so me ever in a one good light. Me never involved with the police state or nothing. Every police in the surrounding there so can tell you who me be. And the type of person who I am. You understand? Me I used to keep all back to school treat for the whole community. What I know? Me I used to keep all back to school treat for the whole community August gone. When the youth all the day so. Right on my foot one time I keep me big go back to school treat. When I go book everything so. You understand? But in the days when my picture go up now on a thing, brother, like say, brother, me not part of no crime or not, me big man.
No.
Because you see when you
yes, and me not cut you. I'm say one thing, and I allow you make you speak. I'm say one thing, and I allow you make you speak. Well, no, that's one thing, I'm allow you make you speak. And I say what you say, it's not a person who believe people. But I say the fact that you have one graduation, and you are small and him are small, that me I try to push out to the people. So that's why I say, if you would forward now the live and just listen a little bit and hear, you could have come and say no what me I try to explain to the people, because most of the social media say them used to terrorize the kid. And me I say that's not my views, that's not my stand, because he might do some smiling where that kind of pretend smiling and the man we're in there, because we didn't know who you are. People just used to think you're the father. And me I said no, because I asked people and people said no, that's not the dad. Seeing so where I say you're a big man, you that one graduation, and you go take a picture with the local youth. We can say, yeah man, a decent person, and you know, you might help look about the youth as Mr. T. And right now, from what me I say, where you just come tell we say the look while, your first instance in this box, even though I am not gonna tell you how to live your life, but you should come and say, yo, Jano, my heart goes out for the local youth, because the local youth I used to the right on my foot and start from there so. But the way you come in and motion about your picture and everything, I understand where I forward from a big thing, and you don't know. But me I say, you deal with it different, and me not have nothing against you, cause.
But you hear me say, my father. You understand when? All right. Me mind me no need to come here so come say this or say that to nobody, because it's social media. You understand? Me having in my heart and knowing myself say I did a good youth. That's why I did this so with him as a picture this. So one time I take this picture, you know. When Andrina come talk this and everything I come talk this, you know. When I take this picture at the graduation, you know. You own Mr. T Miss Paula, what they say auntie, and me, and my missus were at the graduation as a parents theme. Where were they at the graduation? At the morning of the graduation, mother drunk, father drunk. The only person who was there, it was Miss Paula. Mr. T, and I look at Mr. T and say, Mr. T, trust me, if this a youth have to grow up and remember you and Miss Paula, you see, una man nice in her life. You hear me tell you? I'm still going to watch the whole graduation with this youth and march everything because my stepdaughter graduated that same day. You understand? And this youth is a brilliant little boy. That's why I'm there beside him. Me look on him there and say, 5 bills me have. Me put in hand and say, watch on man. I love what you do. And I love what you come out on top. You understand? So me know what the whole works and me feel, and as I say, me heart go out speed, but me never need, me no need to come on social media like everybody, brother. You understand? Me no need to come on social media and I say this and I say that on the brother. Me no depend on anything than my father. You understand?
No.
And then me there
No,
I hear a message coming from my phone, you know, and somebody text me from a messenger from overseas and say, you know, say your picture circulate on TikTok on a live and send me the link. I so come me jump on your father.
Alright, I may agree with it. I agree with this. I may understand what you say. You understand me? I agree with you, I say 100%. But what I'm saying, yes, you are 100% right. When you come on the live and see the picture, and now you say, okay, how to road now. So, as a person who deal with youths and you go in school and you keep things for them, you should adjust the situation different. Because as I say, if you stay on the live and here, you put it out in a good light. And you see, Jah left him without a witness.
With a witness.
You just forward and tell you just forward and tell us say you do. And we have put it out there a long time and say, look, the brother, him have a smile on him face, so him not put it on. Jayden have a smile on him face that me say him happy, saying get him it. Even the crocodile have a smile on her face, and that may show the people because everybody has said Jayden was being tortured for the last 7 years. I said me just share that views there. You understand?
Not go like that, big man. Me could have come out and nothing like that, big man. Not like that. Me could have come out and say a lot of things, but me say me now I do no social media thing. Because you see them things, brother, them things will set up your life, big man. You understand? Me is a man, I have 5 kids me have. When I not talk about kids, me have kids. I have 5 kids me live with here. 5 kids me have. 4 girls and 1 boy. You hear me tell you? I'm a man, only thing me post on social media, I will me picture them, me go out and him. You know, so me put up that picture already on social media and my system say take it down because if I put up it, I'm in a problem.
Well,
you understand?
You know, no problem.
No, me not talk about with who do you know, but with other people, viewers, because anybody related to Jayden these days, if you take a picture from there one with Jayden, it can make you a problem. Or we don't know nothing about little boy and show him love. Social media take it to a different level. That me I talk about.
You know why that is? You know why that is, Scott? And I understand what you're saying, but you know why that is, my brother? It's because of the circumstances, because yes, I work for picnic up in Jamaica. But you know, so Jayden take a different president, because you know why? It's the circumstances that he missing. You hear what you just said? He's a brilliant mind, he's a brilliant soldier. So no, a lot of people say what you just said. You know. So when we, the outer world see it, I know, so we kids them and go missing every day. And the family them get tied up in this and in this I want to know. It seems because if a family them, you know, if we can't trust a family them for raise a kid in a brother, we're doomed with children, the next generation is doomed. So that's why you see this, I got so hype. And you see where you just say, my question to you then, right? My question to you, right? I mean, I don't want to answer too much question because we don't see how you feel about the situation, but don't you think it is despicable, it's disgraceful what happened to this kid? Because nobody seems to know nothing.
Yeah, that's true. That is so true. That is so true. But what as me say, me know, you see the type, you see how me hear people come out and deal with especially aunt. Me can't tell you. Me cry living here what me hear people deal with the aunt. Because somebody me know for me a little boy. Me know auntie for me a little boy. You understand? Man and woman have a good relationship. Good relationship. Let me tell you, say, when you come on to birthdays, even my birthday gone, this time I gone, a lady buy me present card come give me. This time present come give me. When you come on to Mother's Day, me buy her things, see on way. We live love and that woman there, that the woman make like a youth there. Which part in the day? In her life, yeah, me can tell her that, yeah. That woman do so much for that young man, yeah. When he figure out school, that woman run up and down and do everything. Yeah. Run up and down and do everything. Where, alright, you know what hurt me in all of this, yeah? No, the mother now come out. No, the mother come out and go on like this, you know. Oh, from day one, why all along when the youth was alive, nobody, you wasn't there. Look at you pass it. You pass it daily on road. And you pass it as a mother. And you pass him as a son like you know see nobody. So why now all of this and now you come and show love now when it always be the auntie. The auntie was his background. And auntie look about him birth paper, everything for him that he could have got to school. When
All
time
right,
when I
okay.
got to school and she making got evening class, everything. Where were you?
All right, fair enough. Me understand what you say. But watch out now. So, you see from what you just said,
What am I boss? You know people are texting me and reading and say, me a liar down the way, but me don't need to tell a lie.
no,
You
man,
understand?
comment.
Yeah.
Comment. Hold on, we can't listen. Hold on. Comment, we can't do it because at the end of the day, we always say we want somebody from the family to talk. If you have somebody to talk, just give me a couple of minutes, please. Me a beg you now. Please. Just give me a couple of minutes, okay? Because we always say we need somebody where we want to put somebody, the concern that we have to. This is as close as we're probably going to get. So just give me a second. Just back up our 5 minutes a bit. Yeah? No, man, I have to tell big people. Let me ask you one question.
No worry about that, man. Don't worry about that. Just
let me ask you one question. No, man, I said, listen, my brother, we have to understand, right?
Me know when I'm boss, because I'm a street man, you know. Me know everything, you know.
Yes.
I'm a street man,
A lot of us,
so me know
a lot of us have kids. A lot of us have
Yes.
kids, right?
Yes.
And you see, when I see certain things, I remember them tell us, you know, if you not go so, it almost go so. So a lot of us have kids, and a lot of us because. And me hear what you say about the lady because you say you know and all that, and we can't take that away from you. But what I am what more actually, I am assuming that you have basically some of the things what they said on social media, and that's where people is getting their story from. Nobody ain't making up something. Nobody ain't assuming things. Let me get two.
Yes.
Let me get two.
Yeah.
Uncle brother say him give Shanice the key 9 o'clock in the morning.
Watch you know, me no need to go into the detail because watch you know, you see the day when the interview when I do, me there right there watch everything. So nobody have to send it to me there right on spot when LA Lewis and same price. Was there. So in the idea, me hear everything. So nobody me not have to go over and me hear everything with my own ears. Me come on me listen everything.
What I'm doing, I'm telling you where and why social media are the way they are. Because they don't just get up.
What you know, honestly to God, I don't think they have nothing to do with it. When me know for myself, I mean, no need for God in yard and go say, boy, won't this, I want that, me no need that on my job. You understand? If the police them job with himself, from it, well, me, I go push up myself. Me and my kids them believe for. Me no say, it's sad for know how the way how in go because me tell us a youth here would have be a big star in this world here. Because the youth are bright. Me did and watch when road across road. Everything anime envelope and everything and the auntie did I take picture and everything. Me watch every moment of everything. So me just not talk off a ear say I was there. That's why I end up in this picture. Because I see picture I say combo and I take a picture with you. Because I'm proud of you. You understand?
Okay.
So me no want about the job, I don't know where I feel like saying I did it. Yeah.
Try go join. For some reason somebody find it and them send it to Tiger and Tiger put it up. Alright, and it up. So it's just that you come across and you call out everybody and me understand how you feel because how you get it and you're hot and you come up. But let me tell you something. I never nothing bad. And even you come even add to it for say what you do to your community. That put you upon a wider spectrum. Bigger spectrum. Because now at least somebody will know the part where you play within your community. So every publicity, no matter how it look, a good publicity. You see? And from a man never deliberately look upon your picture and say you are a part of this. Don't take it on to yourself. Right? And it would be very unfair for we to have nothing against you or know nothing about you and make an allegation against you. We're just sorry in the fact that your picture was on Jayden's picture and that was the only picture we had for him smiling. So you end up compliment the picture because you did a smile too. So don't see it as negative. And when we talk in a social media, say you have nothing to do with it. Do believe that it spread far and wide. You have nothing to do with it. And Price and any other persons are not putting you down. It's just because of how it trigger off now. You see them little thing they are right in a social media. If it did done other way, you wouldn't get that energy. So, you see next time around, we can learn from each other. Just approach a thing on a different level.
Yeah, but you mentioned a Price. You mentioned You see, if you know say you're there somewhere and you know you're there about your business and you get a message and say, your father, Ray, people up, and you know where this a come from. You know the whole this is from social media. You understand? You know where this a come from, and everybody I look for. Remember, you know, when people don't have no something, you know, I'm not saying, you know, last year, this a start from last year. And when a man have no clue about the situation, it's a boy, every league where they go, it's a boy, a waste of time. People are going to try to draw somebody else tonight now. You understand? This is a boy, this is somebody you know. See and the picture with a person. When you now go think like you have to talk about other people, you know.
No, but remember this. When I say to you, my brother, you have people on this with them voice big, them influence big. And if they are not carrying you, you're not going to know it. If them pick you up and carry you, do believe you'll go somewhere. And if a Price or a Tiger or some other top platform say you are not, do believe that you are not. It's simple. We have influence to put you out there, take you down, tear you down. There's nothing about you. You even come and reaffirm the part where you play within your community. How much people did know say this you do? See you get a voice there, see you come and you put who you be in your community. It is a plus, whether you want to believe it or not. You get to explain yourself. At least people know. Say you contribute to your community.
Price.
Yeah.
1 second. Good day, Mr. Junior. Mr. Junior. Junior.
Yeah, man.
Junior. Yeah,
Am I
hear
hear
me?
you, man? Am I hear you?
Okay, dear.
Yeah,
What am I saying? Yeah, what am I saying as a parent? And we have to understand, right? At the end of the day, you'll be talking about TikTok and this and platform and something like that. All of us, the whole world is concerned about Jayden. And let me and your reason now put myself in the position if I have a baby with me and that baby go missing and I'm not out there to show that I really miss that child, even if the whole world is against me. One person can stand against the world, you know, when you're right, you know. So you can't come out and show that, yes, I have nothing to do with this. Try to mix with the people that they don't have any feelings or point finger at you. So you see, if you don't come out, we are going to point finger. We are going to point finger. Because there's something you must know. You understand what I mean, Junior? And that is fair enough. I'm not talking, I'm not talking to you, you know. I'm not talking.
All right, listen to me.
Not you personally, you know. Not you personal. Not you personal. Don't take it personal. Yeah, not you personal I'm talking about. I'm talking.
All right, make him talk. Make him finish now. Make him
Go on, Junior.
If me know the family, and me know the family, me just know them and like that. And if something go wrong, me not have to know nothing. You know?
Yeah, you don't have to know anything.
Do you ever ask his family about Jayden?
Guys, make him finish now. Make him finish. I will go one. Make him finish.
Miss, me no need to ask the family about Jayden. That is not my business. Me feel it to my heart saying miss everything because me have daughter right now. From Jayden missing. My stepdaughter, my missus make my daughter start, then grandparents start pick her up, carry her go school, and carry her back home. And since here, she start take back taxi because she say she bored and she want her friends them. You understand? Because we don't know. So we don't need to go question the parents.
So like how so like how they do that now, they used to like take taxi, let the taxi pick them up and stuff. That simply mean you guys concerned. So you never asked Anne-Marie, seems that you are here now on the picture with Jayden smiling along. You never yet one day asked them since Jayden missing what they think took place or what happened? Because it seems you like you are very close.
I'm concerned, but listen to me, miss. You see, no matter how many person live, me no nosy down in a people business. When
this is not. This is everybody's business. When it comes to this is everybody's business. This is a child.
Listen to me. You understand why I say everybody? Yes, a child. I have 5 kids. I tell you. But listen to me. Me have 5 kids. I love them. I work hard for them. You understand?
But Junior, why wouldn't you ask them about the child?
Me a hard working man. So me not put my nose in the things for go lose my life and let me pick them here to suffer. You understand?
Yeah, but so Junior, this is it. This is it. Why wouldn't you ask them?
1 second, let me finish talking that. Let me come down. Junior, So may I say you reason with them and you realize that yes, what am I saying about the outer whole world, or we think about it that we are sad because of how Jayden went missing, right?
Yeah.
So at the end of the day, what may I say?
Yeah.
You spoke with them, you know their feelings, even if it doesn't go the way how you want it, Junior, you cannot fix it. You understand what I say? Because it's not your concern. The only thing is yes, this child is missing and you feel it for the way how he missing.
Yeah.
Right? So if you and them even share something together, right? And you and them sit down and talk, the only thing you could come out and say is, yes, I know that these people do something to Jayden or not. That's the only way it could help. You understand? Because if you ask them a question and they answer you in a way where you know say it can't come up on the public platform, you're not going to tell us. You understand what I say? You're not going to tell us. So that's personal.
Listen, may I tell you something? May I tell you something? If you know somebody and you know them in that person, like how we got up with Jayden now, him and the auntie, and you didn't know somebody and know how them take care of a little boy, a little girl, and whatever.
Yes.
You understand?
To what you said.
And be there, be a parent for them, you see, and something go wrong. You understand?
Yes.
It's a very thing, in a deep down in yourself to you see how them treat that little boy or that little girl. It's a thing very hard for you having a head piece of boy. Them doing something and in a
You
man
look
sense.
back on them because you know how they treat him.
In a myself.
General, may understand. You are between a rock and a hard place.
Hard place, right.
No, not between a rock and a hard place.
We don't know. And me explain this rock and hard place.
Yeah.
You don't know everything about these people. What happened behind closed door. You only know what you know, where you would have had a day-to-day experience with them. All right? You're going to speak from that place. You can't speak from something where you don't know.
I know else.
All right. Right. So, at the end of the day, I understand where you come from, and I wouldn't question a person like you too much.
I'm
and
surprised.
The reason for this is that he is protecting the relationship that he has with them and also his community.
Yes.
If he don't choose to come out and put whatever he has on the line, then me I go ask you no, don't carry him down the road.
True.
No, we're not carrying no, but listen, we
understand
where you come from.
He has to willing to want to do it. Right? Because all we are going to do in an argument with him, because he's not going to let you through. He's not going to give you want to hear.
But there must be something. There must be a reason why he don't want to ask them.
No, because the point is that I already explained that he is speaking from where he is, and he is not willing to go otherwise. Right. And we have to use wisdom. If he willing to do otherwise, then allow him to do so. But not grab him by the hand when your sister you try and you say nah, go the route there. What that is going to leave a bad taste in everybody's mouth. So what we are simply saying, him not willing to go over which part we want him. So here what we are saying, brethren, we put up your picture.
Nobody can. Watching the price, and nobody can force me to go which part me no want to go. Watch the only thing me can do attack the God Almighty truth, and in the only truth me attack and what me know for myself. So
you can't speak from
other people.
Yeah, you can't speak from a different place.
But surprise, this is all
let me ask a question.
Surprise, this is me, you know. If me know say a person, me would have say, well then, if me know say you that do a thing, you know. Out of the way, you know, surprise. I mean, knowing I'm head, me and your friend, you know, I mean, know that do it, you know. Yeah, the things, you know, me that confront you with it, you know.
But him not have that. That's why I say him speak highly. He would have speak highly and see these people highly. So when me a simply say to you, he has no shadow of a doubt. Not said the doubt is not there, you know. Them not have it, you know, but he don't see it. And if him don't see it, and him go reason with you down one road, whether him see it and choose to answer a particular way, there's no way you go get with him wanting to cooperate with you.
In see it, but he no want to put himself there, so in that spot there.
And we can't say him see it neither. We have to give him the benefit of the doubt.
Be a span where him say, be a span where him say right
so
now.
we don't want to put him under the gun neither, because here what maybe tomorrow, he may see something or hear something. And it's the same person call you back and say, you know, me hear this and me hear that. So sometimes we have to be careful of how we deal with people. You know, he come and jump on me and he say, because right now, me never know who me I talk to. But him know me, because me is a popular face. But at the same time, me just as simple as say, General, you approach it wrong. And me could have tell him that, right? But me I said to you now, say, if he don't willing to go the other route, we not go get nowhere. And we only maybe make things worse where we not get no more information from anybody. So we have to tread carefully and allow people to feel comfortable. And if they choose to.
Me depend this, you see. I mean, no say the whole world I watch, and me can't talk. Me can't talk for myself, and me always I go talk. Listen to me. Me I say one thing, and I don't busy when nobody wants to say. I don't busy when nobody wants to up to the day. Me not believe. Me not believe.
But what do you think? Because you come here like you're being
make him speak. Guys,
you see, Pandy say, I'm more negative. You see, people, you see me find myself as if the worst I hold there. No only has to try jam me down to one place where me not fi go. You understand? Because I don't want to hear me say, yes, they usually do this here. Yes, they usually do that. Right. When I tell life on people, come on, man.
That's true. You can't tell no life. It's true.
You never say something. Guys, you know, say me go empty. Yes or no? You say me have to tell everybody if I make him speak again, me go empty box. You understand? Me I tell you that now. Me go empty the box them and lock them. Make him speak. Make him say what I say.
Right now, me a people pan this right now when me a talk, know me, you know, see them a text, you know, know me good like that, you know. You understand? And when me a talk for myself, my father, honestly to God, I don't think they have nothing to do with it. When me know for myself, I mean, no need for God in yard and go say, boy, want this, I want that, me no need that, and my job. You understand? If the police them job with themselves from it, well, me, I go push up myself. Me and my kids them believe for. Me no say, it's sad for know how the way how in go, because me tell us a youth here would be a big star in this world here. Because the youth are bright. Me did and watch when I rode across road. Everything anime envelope and everything and the auntie did I take picture and everything. Me watch every moment of everything. So me just not talk off of ear, say I was there. That's why I end up in this picture. Because I see picture, I say, come boy, I take a picture with you. Because I'm proud of you. You understand?
Okay.
So me no want nobody job, me don't know where I feel like saying I did it. Yeah.
My ask a question because I am 100% sure that like we have 264 people here, so I know they don't want to hear your opinion. Are you okay to give your opinion? I'm want to ask so before me answer the question because we all are well, most of us on this live is parents, right? And you obviously you should be aware of what's in the media. So the media is on the 25th of September, the little baby was hurt. Now Jayden is living with these people. I don't think they used to abuse him for 7 years, right? The baby hurt himself on the 27th. Jayden disappeared on the 26th. And I feel, from my own opinion, that for people who live with I've got a dog here. Okay, I'll show you him. And if him go missing right now, me dep on social media, I beg and play a cry. I'm not saying everybody is the same thing. 7 brothers, 7 different mind. What I am saying, right? And you don't have to answer. I'm not trying to put you in no trap. Do you feel like it's a coincidence that the baby get hurt and nothing? Jayden just disappeared on the tin year, the Friday. So the baby get hurt the Thursday and he disappeared in the tin year, the Friday. Do you think that's a coincidence?
Where's my boss? What text me on TikTok? Yeah, me hear what I say. Well, yeah, it look away. It's so sad for that the way if things gonna happen. You understand? Because sometimes some things happen. And you that unexpected to know say this happen, that this can happen. You look away, you really look away. But still nobody have no evidence. Nobody have no proof. You understand? So in the day, you look away, yes, but in the day, nobody have no evidence. Nobody have no proof. People just speculate. You understand? So me have nothing more to say, yes, you look away.
My question.
But in the day, who have proof? But as me say, brother, me no need to say nothing more, brother. As me say, me no need to say nothing more, because I'm not get caught up in this. For the moment me come on the live and for clear me picture, me should just say what me stand. But as me say, everything.
No, man, we respect you, man. We not listen, brother. My thing is, me not look no views and no like, you know, brother. I'm in there so put
But
nobody.
that's a lot of people I do. That's a lot of people I do. Because when they can't find help, you understand?
No, and Carl, let me tell you something. I'm a father of 37 kids. And let me tell you something. You see, if one of my kids go missing, I tell her as a God honest truth, me don't want you, she, the old lady, if you're out there, me look. I may tell her that from now. So you see, God forbid, anybody kids go missing, cause I know just Jayden alone will do it, no brother. You see, a little 4-year-old baby will get analyzed by the soldier them, all that they must also cover that as well, you know. Because I feel like if a baby in our bed, and we the parents can protect him in our bed from whether gunman or police, the world mash up. So it's not just Jayden.
Yeah.
It happens, and I try and explain why Jayden is so at such a point, because we, the court of public opinion, feel like the family member them have something to do with him. Now, if your brother thump in your face and a stranger thump in your face, people are gonna more look at your brother because they must say, boy, my brother shouldn't thump you now. But a stranger will take a chance and thump you. So that's where we're at the moment. And I'm telling you right now, me want to see this have nothing to do with you. This have nothing to do with Scott, Jonas Scott. But me want to see one eye parents and go to prison. Is as either Han, Mr. T, or Demar, or the one who come from fire. Me want to see one and go to jail because me feel, in my opinion, that one of them has something to do with the kids. Whether we have evidence or not. Because see the police boy the other day, we didn't have no evidence, but they found one suspect thing in a Donnelly case. And not because the police them don't get any evidence, meaning that they didn't do it. Because we have 7 years where they was looking after, and me not bash them for the 7 years when them have Jayden, because I feel like they used to send him to school, do all of these good things, just like I see my smile here. So, and this is primary school. Before he went missing, so he was happy at some point that you did it, say he was happy, he was there, and he says he's a good kid. But no, I don't feel like they deliberately do him something, but I think by accident they done him something. And they need to come to the forefront. And
well, that are your opinion. Everybody have their own opinion. That are your opinion.
Yeah.
There you go.
And nobody can take that from him neither.
And nobody can take that from you neither. Nobody can tell none of you on the platform say, and I say, and I family dream so. Nobody can tell none of you. You understand? So everybody have their own opinion.
Just like how we can tell you say at them. You hold your own. You hold your own and we are all through.
And you own where you own. Same way.
Right.
Yeah, man. So what you know? When you go on,
my brother, let me.
Me go come down, man. You don't have to come in no more.
My brother.
What you know? Me not really do this thing here, me get things straight now. You understand? So
chat. You know, give me a second, man. Let me tell you something before you go, brother. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something before you go, right?
Yeah.
As I'm gonna talk to you as a parent to a parent, my brother.
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah.
Anytime it doesn't matter who for child. We as parent, and not only as parent, as adult. Because the Bible itself tells us they are the future. The Bible tells us we have to protect them. Because you see your 5 kids and you have to protect them, you know? Whether they're wrong or right, you have to protect them. And you see anytime you see anywhere you see people are trying to protect kids,